Constant preparation and practice. The chemical weapons inspectors know they're about to confront danger yet again. And this time they're having to get ready in record time at their Netherlands headquarters, after President Assad said he would speedily sign up to the Chemical Weapons Convention to avoid a possible US-led attack on Syria. Inspector Ishak Majali, ex-Jordanian military, has already faced the reality of the Syria crisis.
I have confidence in what we discovered because we have very well-trained people, very professional, and also the equipment we are using, it's up to date, it's one of the best in the world.
No one here wants to talk about the politics of the conflict.
The challenges to the inspectors' findings have come thick and fast, often driven by political motivation. But the personnel here say they're confident that what they discovered is fair and accurate.
Soon the laboratory will be busy again, processing fresh samples for analysis. They say they deal in hard scientific fact, not blame, to ensure their independence. Meanwhile, the sample gathering equipment is checked and rechecked. On Sunday, the organization's Executive Council meets to approve the way forward for future inspections.
After 16 years of our history, this is the first time that our organization is expected to deliver in such a challenging, ambitious plan, ambitious in terms of actual timelines as well.
It's an arduous journey, but the inspectors could now hold the key towards making further political progress in Syria. Tim Friend, Al Jazeera, The Hague.